Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, we'll be looking at part 2 of 2 videos covering the topic how to construct the common internal tangent to 2 circles of the same diameters. In the previous video, we started the part 1 and we set out the 2 circles, the normal and the tangent. And in today's video, we'll be completing the diagram in its entirety. At CAD with Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. That's a tangent. So we pick up this intersection, go to E, enter. We're going to draw a line to extend the tangent, all right? Enter, enter. We're going to center this. All right, so what command do we use to make the line longer? Extend. So we click on this line there. We click on this line there. There we have our tangent. So we're going to delete this line, and this line is not part of the construction. Now, how will we get the normal? Can you guess? We draw a line from B to F and a line from E to A. So let's do that. So B to F, enter. E to A, enter. And these two lines that we drew a while ago will be the normal, so let's label them. Single line text. Gonna turn off object snap right here. I'm gonna move the B after, alright? The rotational angle will be 60. So let's label this now. Normal. Gonna label right here to normal. Alright, so we need to move this. Alright, so press enter. I'll put it right there. Enter. Now we need to rotate it to align it. Alright, so we're gonna go rotate, enter. Base point, gonna let the base point be alright. Then we're gonna rotate, so press enter to get the last command. Enter. Base point there. What I'm gonna remember, I told you I'm gonna move the B, so let's move the B. Now we're gonna move the normal to center it between here. So we go enter. And what we can, yes, there it is, good. All right, so we're gonna rotate. This is not properly aligned, so we're gonna go rotate, enter, base point here. All right, a little bit better. All right, so can you guess what's the next thing we're gonna do now? We're gonna label it tangent. So I'm gonna put it up here. So I'm gonna go single line text right here. That's what 120. So we go single line text 120. So this will be tangent. Now we need to rotate it. So we're gonna go rotate, enter base point. Gonna choose right here as the base point, right? Good. And this would have completed our drawing. What's the next thing we need to do to complete? We need to darken it up. So if you're using your traditional instruments, you would use your 3H pencil and your compass and your set square to darken up the lines for the tangent, the two normals, and the two circles. So we're going to put these on the outline layer. Good. And this is what, now the C, we need to move the point C. At the time we were doing the construction, remember the tangent was the last thing that we drew. So wouldn't have known that it would be in the way, right? So that's C. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna label the drawing. All right, so we're gonna go multi-line text. All right, so to construct the common internal tangent to two circles of similar or same diameter. All right, so good job. Now we need to use a break command to let our drawing look balanced. So I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to turn on object snap. I'm going to click right here so that it looks symmetrical. Press enter. You click this line and we click right. I'm going to turn off or choose right here. Enter. So when I click on this, when I click on this arc, see, press delete. Looks a little bit neater. All right. So this is our completed drawing. Now the next thing we need to do, we now need to put the dimensions on it. So we can go linear. I'm gonna turn our object snap is on. So we're gonna click here, there, and come down 100. Enter. We need to move the label down. So we're going to move. So we're gonna move. Enter base point. I'm gonna turn off object snap. I'm gonna put it right here. Then I'm gonna move the 100 millimeters dimension down. Good. All right, that's a little bit better. All right, so I'm gonna indicate the radius for the circle. There. There. Right? Now I need to extend the center line going across. All right, so extend. I'm gonna extend that. Good. All right, the next thing you need to draw the center line going above. So we're going to go to our center layer, line, going to turn on object snap, unsnap, enter. So we go again, we go line, from there to there, enter. And then we're going to make it smaller. So we're going to click this and come down. Going to turn off snap and object snap. Come down. Good. Right? Now, we're gonna draw it also below. We're not gonna see it because the dimension line is there, but we're gonna put it there nevertheless. So we come here, gonna turn on snap, enter, 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 enter. Right, so this would have completed our drawing for the fourth drawing, which we set out to draw the four drawings. All right, so good job if you followed along. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of the third angle projection drawing. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Take care until we meet again. Bye. We have come to the end of part 2 of the 2 videos covering the topic how to construct a common internal tangent and the 2 normals to 2 given circles of the same diameters. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of tangential arcs to given circles. So we could use this topic, for example, to draw a spanner that you would use to pull a nut and bolt, for example. We're looking forward to seeing you in that video, and please take care until we meet again. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.